let's see how the system works. So you must go to your browser and type localhost, and then you must name the folder, which is localhost school registration 2026. Then if you click on that, it's loading. This is just an animated loader which was put purposely, which runs for 3 seconds, right, just to make it look fancy. Then we have a registration portal here. You choose the action below, whether you want to register as a new student or just want to log in to check if your registration has been finalized. So in this case, let's just go with the register as a new student. But before we do that, if we go to our database to check if there is any record, let's just do that to see if we have any record in our database so far. Let's clear everything, and then the database name is school registration, which is this one, and we have students. We have no record, so let's see if we can add a record. All right, register as a new student, right? It's also a loader, this, right? Then I've also put these things because I'm gonna share the source code, so that if you want to put maybe additional information, making it look you can definitely do that, because it comprises of only 4 files for now: the index, the register, which has got all this information. So when you just want to change some of the things, you just come on this file and then you change to suit your preference. Then we have the login as well, and then the config. And the purpose of the config.php is to connect all these files to the database, because this is the one that consists the information about the database here, which is, let's say if you want to host it in your panel, you will just have to then come and put new details here. Normally when you upload on a panel, it's a localhost :3306, then the root, you will then give your name if you use your name or whatever username that will have created, and then you put your password, then you put the name of the name of the database that will have created. So that's actually the files that we have. So in this case, let's get back to the system anyway. So we are in the register. Let's register. Let's take this and then let's put the number. We can put +27 +2, okay, +2762, right, just like this. And then we put a name, email address. We can say right at gmail.com. Then we can put this, and then we can select the grade 9. Then we can choose the file. We can pick this one and then click OK. Then let's choose the password. Okay. Password set, and then click submit. Right, we have submitted. I think everything has worked well. Let's go and check in our database to see if we have any record now. We can refresh this database to see if we have a record. You see there's a record that I've just now, and it's looking good. This is the grade applied for. This is the time that is it has been applied. This is 1502. This is 1501. So no magic, no gimmicks. It's straightforward. So let's get back to this and see that now you have you have successfully registered. Can you be able to register? But before it's finalized by the admin, you cannot be able to to log in, but it will tell you to provide feedback. So this is the student log in with the page that I've showed you. Well animated, it's very reactive, right? So I've put my email address as jose@gmail.com. Then here password. This is the password, and then if I click checking, registration is being processed. Please wait. Okay, let's say I remove one item here to put wrong password. Let's see how it will read incorrect password. Okay, let me say I've removed this so that it have a non-existing let's check email not registered. So it's a kind of a very funny thing, but what I want to do is I want to make a fully functional system with the registrations, with the approvals, admin approvals, declines, and so forth. So comment in the comment section telling me what other features you think I must just put as well. I'll be providing the source code as well. So plus the other thing is you just need to help me make my channel grow. I've got lots of skills that I want to share with the entire world. So help me to just make my channel grow by making sure that you like, you subscribe, and then you leave a comment. Just comment something. If it is below standard, let me know what you expect to make it um, more production level. All right, all kind of things. Let's just make this the community for discussing things that really work. As you can see, this is work. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how I'll be developing the next video. I'll be developing the student portal, the admin portal to do the approvals, and how the student portal will be looking like. All working in a very, very nice way like this, production level, competition level. Right, so to set up this system is very simple. You just have to click the link in the comment section, and when you click it, you will land to this page. Then this page, it will show you all the system source code that has been uploaded so far. So this is our first one. So you just have to click download here. You're gonna download a zipped file like this. So the next thing, remember this is a system, so you need to run it in a control panel. So we're gonna use a local host, which is XAMPP. So you must go to your browser. Like in this case, you go to your browser. Then if you don't have XAMPP already, you must then download XAMPP, right? If you have it already, then it's fine. Then you click here, download XAMPP. Then you pick the file, you download, you continue with the installation. It's very easy, very, very easy. Just continue with the installation using the default setups. Then when you're done, you must then come to this button. Then you search for XAMPP. Then you must see your XAMPP here. Then you click that XAMPP control panel. Right, then you open it like this. Then you start Apache, you start MySQL as well. Then leave this running. Every time when you want to use XAMPP, make sure that you go to XAMPP control panel this, and then you start Apache, you start MySQL, so that the database and then the control panels up and running. Then after that, the last thing is, as we install this, you are going to see that by default it's going to be installed. There will be a folder that will be what placed in your C drive. So you go back to here, C drive, C drive, where is C drive? Desktop. Okay, so we need to go down, localhost, local disk, I mean. So double click on that local host, just double click localhost. Then you see there is XAMPP folder. Click on that XAMPP folder, right? So this one act as the public HTML, right? If it was, let's say it's in the C panel, so you must put all your files in the what htdocs, which is that zipped file. So you must open this, right? So in your case, there won't be all these files. These are some of my systems that I run locally. Yours, it will be like blank. So you just open. Then when you open, paste that zipped file in here. Then you extract it, right? Then you extract it. Once you're done with the extraction, which means it's a zipped file. If you go down, like the folder with those files, it's a school management. Let me check it for you. School management, school registration. This one, it's school registration. That's the folder that is those files. You see, those are the files that are in that folder, right? So in your case, if it's uploads, then you can choose to rename that folder, or if you leave to uploads, then when you are searching in your browser, you must search uploads. But renaming it to school registration is quite good. Then there is another thing. There is school registration, which is the SQL folder. This one, you you definitely need this file, right? But before I proceed to that, before I proceed to that name, you can just after unzipping, you can then go to your browser. Like in this case, you go to browser like this. Then you must search for localhost, and make sure that XAMPP is the Apache and MySQL is running localhost. Then you name the folder that has got those files. Like in this case, it's a school registration 2026 school registration, right? 2026, like this. Then click enter. You're going to see that it will system, right? But in your case, then this will happen before you connect the database. So when you click register, it will be a fatal error. So let's connect to the database. how you will just do. So back into your what? Back into your folder here at htdocs. There is this SQL what file. So what we'll have to do is quite simple. We'll just go back to control panel, right? Then under my SQL, you click admin, right? Then on the admin, you must click a new to create a new database. Or no, don't worry about creating new database. Yeah, don't worry about creating new database. Just go to my SQL straight, right? Then you should open that file, the SQL, using any text editor, be it in Visual Basics or PyCharm or Sublime Text, like in this case. If you don't have Sublime Text, again, this is how you can download Sublime Text. You just go and text Sublime Text 3, like in this case, Sublime Text download, whatever that you have done. I think that process will take you less than 4 minutes to do that. Click here, and then network is a little bit slow, but when you click here, it will give you the version that you'll have to choose. Like here, Windows, Linux, you choose Windows, and then after that it will download here. You proceed again with the installation, double clicking, run it, and then that's it. Then you will have Sublime like this. So once you're done, you just search for what? For Sublime here, right? Then you click that Sublime Text 3 to open it, right? Then if it's open, like in this case yours, it will be blank. So let me put it to blank, like new. Then let me say, you just say file, then you say open file, then you trace the file to htdocs where it is. So remember here, you just have to go to localhost, then you must go to XAMPP, then you must go to htdocs, right? Then you must locate the folder that has got your files that you have extracted. So in this case, it's a school registration. Then you pick this SQL one. You pick this one, you click OK. Then you copy everything that is in this. You just copy everything like this. Then you go back to XAMPP. Then in your what? In your admin. Where is my admin? Here. You see, I am in the server right away. So make sure you will be in the server up to here. Then you click SQL. Then you paste, right? And then you click go. Then that database will be created. After that, if you go back here and then click register as a new student, you should see something like this, which means your connection will be fine. Then after that, if you try put information, and then if you successfully register, then come back here and then log in to try again. If you log in as well, you should at least remember, I have Joseph at gmail.com, right? Then password, I have my password, which is like this, and then click login. Email not registered at Gmail. Okay, I've put an email which is wrong, Gmail, right? If you do like this, registration is still being processed. So in the next video, like I've said, that's where we are to develop the admin portal, processing this, as well as so that the student can be allowed to log right away, since the registration will be done. Also, let me know about other systems that you think we must also develop. Here we really need to do things that is practical, relevant to what is needed. So please help make this channel grow. We're not gonna just do a tidbit of things and then leave things hanging. We want to do like how we can create the entire student management system with the registrations. We're going to look at submission of assignments. We're going to look at a lot of things that we can put, curriculum, how we can also add all into that. So help me make this make sense by at least collaborating. Try to meet me halfway, so that we can make this more interactive, more lucrative, stuff like that. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done that. Comment and also like.